Photo Wobble Editor is an Android application designed to create dynamic and captivating animated effects on images, providing users with a unique way to enhance their photography. This innovative app allows users to add motion to their photos, enabling wobbly animations that make static images appear lively and engaging, transforming ordinary pictures into eye-catching visual experiences. With its user-friendly interface, Photo Wobble Editor typically offers a variety of customization options, allowing users to adjust the intensity of the wobble effect and strategically select specific areas of the photo to animate. This flexibility empowers users to express their creativity and tailor animations to their preferences. Users can apply these effects to portraits, landscapes, and various other images, making it an excellent tool for enhancing visual appeal for social media sharing or personal projects. Moreover, the app may include features for saving and exporting the final animations in multiple formats, ensuring versatility in how users share their creations. Overall, Photo Wobble Editor provides a fun and creative outlet for users to bring their photos to life, allowing them to share unique animated content that stands out among traditional images.